Do you have an application going to Europe? Is it Poland or Lithuania? Are you confused which countries offers better? Or which country is it to apply with? Well, for today's vlog, we'll be discussing the similarities and differences of each country when it comes to process, benefits, money currency, and its general information. So without further ado, let's start. Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Kamusta na po kayo? For today's vlog, let's compare these two countries, specifically Poland and Lithuania. Why? Because our agency offers us a two-way process application bound for Europe. So it means that our documents was applied in two different countries. So maalin lang po sa dalawa kung saan po nila kami mas mapapabilis na mapaalis. So let's compare these two countries. So Poland is located in Central Europe and its capital is Warsaw. Their language is Polish with 38 million of population and over 30,000 Filipino workers.
Wow.
So for Lithuania, a country in the Baltic region of Europe, and its capital is Vilnius. Their language is Lithuanian with over 28 million of population. Also, there are 774 Filipino workers. So, medyo hindi pa po ganun karami ang mga OFW na Filipinos na nagtatrabaho po sa bansang Lithuania. So, let's go for the money currency. So, take note guys na hindi po lahat ng nasa bansang Europe ay ang kanilang pera po is euro. Okay? So, for Poland po, ang kanilang gamit na pera is Polish zloty. So, 1 Polish zloty is nagkakahalaga po ng around 14.78 peso. Then, for Lithuania, their money currency is euro. But before, their money currency is Lithuanian litas. So, pinalitan po ito ng euro last January 2015. So, 1 euro is equivalent to 62 pesos and 85 centavos. Oh. So, punta naman po tayo sa process. So, magkaiba po ang process ng Poland sa Lithuania. For Poland application, after you have been paid all the processing fee for your work permit application, need nyo pong mag-antay ng around months or years. So, depende po sa pag-aasikaso ito ng inyong agency. Kasi meron pong mga agency na mabilis lang po ang mag-arrive ang work permit ng isang applicant. So, yung iba naman po, minsan napapatagal around 8 months to 1 year or 2 years. Minsan ganun po umaabot. Okay? So, iba-iba po ng status. Alright? So, after the arrival of your work permit, you yourself or the agency will book for you for your application for National Work Visa. Okay? So, depende po ito sa settlement nyo kung ikaw ba ang magbubook or si agency na ba ang mag-take ng responsible doon sa pagbubuk. Okay? Kasi meron pong iba guys na si agency na po ang nagbubuk para sa kanilang mga applicant. However, meron naman din po na si agency is binibigay nila ang responsibility ng pagbubuk kay applicant. Okay? So, iba-iba po ng scenario guys. Okay? So, once po na nakapag-apply na kayo for your National Work Visa, i-issuehan po kayo ni Consul ng itong National Work Visa guys is nagre-range lang po ito ng 9 months or hindi siya lalagpas ng 1 year. After you comply all the necessary documents including your ticket, OEC, and PDOS certificate, you can now fly and say hello to Poland. And then kapag nasa Poland na po kayo, bago po mag-expire ang inyong visa, kailangan makapag-file na po kayo ng temporary residence card, which is yung TRC na tinatawag nila. Okay? So, let's go for Lithuania application. So, for the process of Lithuania po guys, after you have been selected by the employer, you will pass all the necessary documents at kailangan nyo po itong dalhin sa VFS Center. Okay? So, Of course guys, meron po itong mga processing fee na kailangan nyo pong bayaran sa agency. So, depende po yan guys sa pag-uusap nyo ng agency. Okay? And then, after you have been passed all the documents sa VFS Center, mag-aantay po kayo ng email galing kay Migris, which is mag-undergo po kayo ng interview kay Migris. Okay? And then, after you have been interviewed by the Migris officer will issue you a visa for temporary residence permit, which is yung tinatawag nila na TRP. And this TRP valid for 2 years. Okay? So, after you have been completed all the necessary documents na kailangan nyo po sa Lithuania application, you can now abort and say hello to Lithuania. Well, if you could ask me which countries offers better, para po sa akin, kung saan kayo mas mapapabilis na mapaalis ni agency, yun po yung pinakamaganda, okay? Dahil hindi naman po lahat ng mga applicant is minamalas kapag sila ay napuntang Poland or Lithuania. Dahil meron naman po tayong mga kababayan na naging swerte naman po ang naging journey sa Poland. At meron naman din po na naging maayos ang kalagayan sa Lithuania. Okay? So, mas maganda guys kung saan kayo mas mapapabilis na mapaalis ni agency, yun po yung mas better. Okay? Para masimulan nyo na din po kung ano man po yung mga plans nyo sa buhay, yung mga pangarap nyo, lalong-lalo na kapag meron pong mga utang na need bayaran or kailangan isettle. So yun, makakapag-umpisa na kayo guys. Okay? Ang mahalaga lang po guys is nag-take kayo ng courage to step up to take the risk. Okay? So if it doesn't work, then at least you tried. Alright? And that's it for this video guys. Hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I uploaded my new videos. This is Inday Guapa always saying, if you have a dream, there to make it happen. Bye!
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from Little Yas to